Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU. Here in this session for vocabulary, I'm going to discuss another set of words with you guys here today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it guys, because we give you regular sessions here. Also, I wish to tell you guys that from next week onwards, we are going to have this session regularly at 9 a.m. instead of 6 that we usually have. Also, from next week, this session is going to be a live session. So a live interactive session will give you major benefits then. So be set for it, and if you haven't subscribed it, kindly subscribe the channel so that you can attend the live sessions with me regularly. Let's begin with today's article, guys. The article for today heads as, if you can see, Discouraging Numbers on National Family Health Survey 2019 and 2020. So discouraging numbers, which means if you talk about the health survey, there are some numeric values that are disappointing, or the survey, the summary of the survey or whatever conclusion has been derived, it is not that satisfactory. Early data from NFHS 5 show, NFHS is a National Family Health Survey, show decline in key anthropometric and nutrition indicators. So it is anthro, it is mankind, we relate it to human, okay, mankind, and nutrition indicators. So there is a decline, guys, there is a drop. So since there's a drop in the data, it seems that anyways, a drop in something that is good or beneficial, it is in negative, right? It doesn't portray a good picture then. With a debilitating death toll and an economic recession, guys, debilitating is an adjective. Debilitating means to make something weak. To make something weak, that is debilitating. All right, guys, so we generally use debilitating with it has a debilitating impact, which means it is worsening the condition, it is weakening the condition. That is when you use debilitating. Okay, हिंदी में कहते हो आप कमजोर करने वाला या कमजोर बनाने वाला, ठीक है, that is debilitating. So with a debilitating death toll and an economic recession, India has had among the worst effects of COVID-19 pandemic. तो क्या कमज़ोर होती जा रही है? एक तो डेथ टोल जो है, ओके, वो बर्बाद करता जा रहा है सब कुछ, और इकोनॉमिक रिसेशन भी खराब होता जा रहा है, बद से बदतर होता जा रहा है. और ये वर्स्ट इफेक्ट्स हैं पैंडेमिक के, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड-19 डेफिनेटली. There is anecdotal evidence, guys. Anecdotal, again an adjective. It means एक कहते हैं ना कहानी, story based. Anecdote सुना है आपने, जो stories होती हैं, तो मन गढ़ंत कहानी जैसे हम बना देते हैं, या कोई भी कहानी fictional story, तो इसका भी एक आप कह सकते हो, एक not ठोस आप कह सकते हो, it's not a firm evidence but somewhere एक एविडेंस है इसका भी, एनेक्डोटल एविडेंस है, जैसे कि एक आप कहानी के बेसिस पे ले सकते हैं, that the pandemic and lockdown measures have led to new complications related to food consumption and food security for impoverished Indians, guys. Impoverished is also an adjective, guys. It means poor. Impoverished इसका मतलब होता है गरीब, जो कि असहाय हैं, या फिर जिनको बेसिक नेसेसिटीज भी नहीं उपलब्ध हैं. सो ये उनके लिए तो बहुत मुसीबत है, फॉर impoverished Indians. But an express indication of the possible scale of the crisis can be gleaned from the data. Can be gleaned, that is, can be seen or observed. Something that can be observed or seen. It's a verb, okay? मतलब देखा जा सकता है या परखा जा सकता है, ठीक है, देखा जा सकता है या परखा जा सकता है डेटा से. फ्रॉम द न्यूली रिलीज नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्वे 2019 और 20, which was conducted before the pandemic and its impact. So pandemic के पहले भी जो सर्वे किया गया था. If we compare, if we make a comparison, then there is a far better chances, okay, possible scale of the crisis थे ही. ठीक है, पहले भी जज किया जा सकता था that in future we would face such crisis, whether it is food consumption or food security. So we already knew about it. Possible कहते हैं ना, एक there was a possibility, a संभावना थी that things could have been worked upon, but only when you realize the thing at the appropriate moment or time. The writer also adds that the partially released early data from NFHS 5 for 22 states or union territories, data for UP, MP, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jharkhand and Odisha are not yet out. So this is still secretive, it is not yet out, or you can say it has not been published yet. Shows a disappointing record on metrics such as child nutrition and adult anthropometric measurements, suggesting that the exacerbation, guys, exacerbation is noun, which means worsening of a situation. The act of worsening of a situation or condition, किसी चीज का बद से बदतर होना, उस प्रोसेस को we say exacerbation, like किसी का मुसीबत या ट्रबल और बढ़ा देना. So suggesting the exacerbation now of an already fraught situation. Fraught situation, tensed situation. Fraught is an adjective used here. टेंस्ड या फिर जो सीरियस सिचुएशन है या फिर जो एंजाइटी से भरा हुआ है, फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी, ठीक है, वो जो सिचुएशन है उसको और खराब कर देगा, करने के सजेशंस थे. The NFHS 5 shows that 4 key metrics for the nutritional status of children declined in 2019 and 20 compared to levels in 2015 and 16 when NFHS 4 was taken. So this is a comparison stated wherein NFHS 4 and NFHS 5 are compared. In many of the surveyed states, Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal recorded an increase in the percentage of anemic and wasted, that is low weight for height, children compared to even the 2005 and 6 survey. So अभी अगर देखा जाए तो number of anemic and जो wasted है, wasted का मतलब अपने height के हिसाब से जो weight होना चाहिए, that. So उस चीज का नंबर अभी और ज्यादा है if you compare it to the survey of 2005 and 6. So the point is that at present, when we talk about the NFHS 5, that is survey of 2019 and 20, the things are in a worse situation. Okay, the numbers are not satisfactory, not at all. There is no improvement that can be observed at present. And things on the whole, you can see there is a drop everywhere. Further, the writer adds that in the key indicator of childhood stunting, there has been an increase in 13 of the 22 states or union territories in comparison to NFHS 4, with a noticeable improvement only in Bihar and Assam. There is only like substantial, noticeable का मतलब substantial, जिसको हम कहते हैं sufficient, ठीक है, मतलब जो कि जायज़ या फिर जो ऑब्जर्वेबल इम्प्रूवमेंट है वो सिर्फ बिहार और असम में देखा गया है. Otherwise there is not much positive impact or positive outlook that can be observed. Even here, the reduction in stunting numbers is lower than the government's targets, guys. Even here, if you see the government के targets थे, these targets could not be achieved until now. Even in Bihar and Assam, though there is substantial improvement that can be observed, but the targets have not been achieved yet. The writer also states that Bihar has shown a promising decline of 5.4% points in stunting, that is undergrowth, okay, but still retains the highest percentage of stunted children, that is 42.9% among big states, like जिनका height अपना grow नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो बिहार में भले ही डिक्लाइन रहा हो स्टंटिंग में, बट फिर भी जितना टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टंटेड चिल्ड्रन अभी भी वहाँ ऑब्जर्व करोगे आप, सो दैट इज 42.9% गाइस. So, though there is observable change or growth or improvement, but the things that should have been, like, see, this should have been by now 20% or 25, let's say. So, government ne apna target, still it has not managed to achieve it. On the flip side, that is on the other side, NFHS 5 also flags. Flags is a verb which means shows or states, दिखाता है या दर्शाता है. It flags improvements in other factors that contribute to malnutrition and poor health outcomes. Guys, outcome is noun which means result. इसी चीज का नतीजा. तो जो नतीजे हैं पुअर हेल्थ के और माल न्यूट्रिशन के, उनके कुछ फैक्टर्स में इम्प्रूवमेंट भी हुई है. इन एक्सेस टू सैनिटेशन एंड क्लीन कुकिंग फ्यूल्स. तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पर थोड़ा बेटर हुआ है सिचुएशन. So, see, the point is कि positive things are there or positive points are there, but they are less or they are lower in comparison to the negative points and factors that are associated to this malnutrition and food security. In indicators related to women's well-being, spousal violence declined in 17 of 22 states and union territories. Child marriage declined in 18, and access to bank accounts rose in all of them compared to NFHS 4. So NFHS 4 में अगर देखा जाए तो improvement कहाँ हुई है? Spousal violence में भी कमी हुई है, child marriage में. और जो like people use they didn't even had basic knowledge of account transfer or having their account even in a bank. So that has rose in every particular state and union territory if the data is compared to the NFHS 4 that was in 2015 and 2016. But the persistence of poor anthropometric measures related to hunger and nutrition, ये measures का मतलब है ये जो data है related to hunger and nutrition suggests that existing programs to address that is resolve them. It's a verb. किसी चीज़ का solution देना या किसी चीज़ का हल करना. ठीक है, तो ये जो रिजॉल्व करने का है, तो जो पोषण अभियान, दिस इज वन प्रोग्राम, will need a push and focus to meet targets such as 2% point decrease in childhood stunting every year. This has to be achieved. There's 2% decrease every year, so this has to be achieved definitely. And see, the point is that the programs that are running, they need some stimulus, they need some push, catapult is to be given. Guys, push को एक और better word जो हम use करते हैं, that's catapult. So that is needed for the programs, so that there comes effectiveness in these programs and you can see better impact and effect of the same, right? Moreover, writer also says that more importantly, the complications arising out of the pandemic should make the center and states refocus, that is to focus again, ठीक है ना, दोबारा से किसी चीज पर ध्यान देना, on welfare delivery as a concerted strategy to eradicate hunger. Eradicate is a verb which means to remove, हटाना. So they are talking about complete eradication of hunger and extreme poverty. इसको पूरी तरह से जड़ से उखाड़ना की बात हो रही है. This is an imperative. Imperative is an adjective which means this is something that is important. Something important. जो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है या महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ है, वो क्या है? वो है कि आप हंगर और पॉवर्टी पर काम करें. That would not just meet the UN Sustainable Development Goal, और इससे हम सीधा के सीधा डेवलपमेंट गोल अचीव नहीं कर लेंगे, but will also ensure the well-being of citizens in a country. that showed significant promise in combining economic growth and general welfare in the last couple of decades before encountering major reversals lately. So it says कि जब हम ऐसा करते हैं, if we eradicate hunger and poverty, then हम ना सिर्फ अपना UN का development goal achieve कर लेंगे, not just that, we will be able to provide our citizens, people of our country, a better lifestyle, a better living, and it will be that we'll be able to ensure their well-being, about their health, about the nutrition, about the diet that they take, about the things that are lacking. And this in turn, if you see a broader picture, it is definitely going to help us in the economic growth, right? If you talk about general welfare of the people, then definitely it brings, see, it's not just finances that we're talking about for economic growth, but health, nutrition, all of this, food supply system, all of this also matters a lot. So this is a suggestive measure by the writer himself or maybe herself. Guys, this is the article that I wish to give you for today, and these were the vocabulary words that I wish to discuss with you guys. The list of the words, guys, you can see is given in the link, is on our site. You can go to that through the link given in the description, and you can have the list wherein we have given you synonyms and antonyms and also example sentences to have a better understanding. Guys, nobody will give you all this, the entire explanation of an article with a meaning, parts of speech, Hindi meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because we are going live every day now from next week at 9 a.m. sharp. I shall see you soon in the next session, guys. Keep learning and growing, and thank you for joining.